Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm here today to share with you my design team project for Susan Taylor Brown. Her shop on Etsy is called Poppiness, and I will link everything in the description box below. I used a few of her kits. The main one I used was the Dragonfly Days, and if you watched the video hop that the members of her design team participated in this past Friday, you will have seen me make some of it, and then I have gone back and done some more. So I wanted to show you today what the rest of it looks like, and also explain to you how you can enter the giveaway to win this. So I will talk to you about that at the end. But first, let's go ahead and I will show you. I am so happy with how this turned out. I'm hoping that if I bring this in and kind of tilt it into the light, you might be able to see the glitter, there we go, on the dragonfly wings. So I used one of the background pages from the kit, and then these are two of the many fussy cut little dragonflies that come in that kit, and I glued them onto the front. Oh, there we go. And then I used Wink of Stella on the wings just to make them stand out a bit. I think they look fabulous. And then we have some fabric on the spine here just to reinforce that. And then here's the other side of that background page. I just love, love, love this kit so very much. In the middle of the signature, you have a little double-sided dragonfly charm. And I used some sari silk here as the closure, and it is just attached with a couple small eyelets in the cover. Excuse me. So in the video that I did for the hop, I'm gonna get stuck on my lace, this always happens, I showed you how I made these dragonflies really pop off the page. I used Distress Crackle paint, and it's probably, this red one is just phenomenal. I love it. It's a little hard to see the crackling, but it looks awesome in person. So each of the pockets has one of those painted dragonflies, and I think it just makes everything just like pop off the page. And what I did is I used her butterfly and her bee kits. I think they're separate. You have journal cards and tags for each. And I just cut those out. I printed the background page from the Dragonfly Days kit onto the back of all of these pieces, so you could use them to write on. But look at how gorgeous. Look at how, oh, I think I have that upside down. Look at that little bee. He's so cute. And then you've got these gorgeous butterflies. And then here, is this upside down as well? I have the hardest time. No, I think, nope, it is upside down. Yeah, I don't know. You could do it either way. Honestly, you could put it, it's just perfectly designed that it doesn't matter how it is oriented, but I love this tag. I love all those bees. How pretty, right? So I basically just kind of stuffed the pockets in here. And then the top pockets have two little like faux envelopes. What I did is I took a tag and I folded it up and created a little envelope. So you can open that, you can write inside, and then there are a couple of dragonfly pieces from the kit that I just tucked inside there. So it's just kind of a little secret journaling place. And then you have another one here. So there's the tag, and then it's just folded to look like an envelope. And then you've got two little dragonfly ephemera pieces inside. And then you've got the pages, which are just tea-dyed copy paper, nothing fancy, but I just here and there added some of the fussy cut dragonflies, and then some of the pages are just completely blank for you to write. And then I used some of these journaling cards as tuck spots for the extra pieces from all of the kids. There we go. And then, oh, I'm really loving the dragonfly, butterfly, bee thing going on right now. Whoops, I know it's upside down. So cute. And then this matches that tag in the front. I love that image with all the bees on the flowers. All right. And then some just blank page, some more of the ephemera. Tag, the vibrant colors. I loved how these went together because the dragonfly kit is somewhat muted and green and just very earthy, and then you have these vibrant colors in these other kits that just I thought played really nicely together. And this is sewn together with a 3-hole pamphlet stitch. Another little dragonfly, another pocket with some goodies, or I guess it's a tuck spot, either way, right? And you could add more to this. You could, I thought this would be like a great little purse journal, or, you know, something you could sit nearby if you need to like take notes, if you're, you know, whatever. You can use it for whatever you want. This red one is my favorite. And then we just have some more cards and tags in the back. And then 2 more of those little faux envelopes made from tags. And you could even put them in like this if you're worried about them getting lost in the pocket. But they stay pretty well if you kind of squish them to the side. All right, and that is it for this. And then you've got the back again there. So let me tell you how you can enter to win. If you watched the video hop on Friday, then you already know how to enter. If you did not watch the video hop on Friday, I am going to link the playlist to the entire to everybody's videos, that everybody that participated in the hop. I have added them to a playlist on my channel, so I will link that at the end, and you'll be able to watch everybody's videos. But in order to enter, you need to watch mine in particular, and make sure you comment on the hop video. You can comment on this video, but I'm going to take the entries from the comments on the hop video. Does that make sense? If you have questions, just ask me. So if you comment here, that's fabulous. I would love to know what you think of this little notebook. But make sure you head over to the hop video and comment there so that you can be entered to win. And the normal rules apply. You need to be 18. You need to be a visible subscriber. And that's it. I will ship it anywhere. So if you are international, not in the US, you can go ahead and enter. I forget to say this a lot of the time when I'm doing giveaways, but I do know that I have some viewers that are that have some pet allergies, and I do have cats and I do have dogs. So if you don't feel like you can't enter giveaways, if you don't want the physical item, I do have digital items in my shop, and I am more than happy to like sub out you know, if you have allergies or if you would just rather have a digital instead of the prize, by all means enter. And then if your name is chosen, we can, you know, we can discuss that, you know, at that time. Okay, I hope that makes sense for everyone. So go to the hop video and comment there, and then I will draw the winner I'm gonna draw the winner on Friday. So today is Monday. So on Friday, around noon, I will draw the winner and do a video for that. So yeah, all right guys, I hope that you have a fabulous day. I hope everybody is safe and healthy. I know some things are starting to open up, so I'm hoping that you're able to get out and about a little more. I know like the dog parks around here opened up, so that's fabulous for people who've had dogs cooped up inside way too long. Well, I mean, not inside all the time, but you know, yeah, you know what I mean if you have dogs. So yeah, guys, take care of yourselves, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.